Welcome back, viewers. Shocking details of the alleged multi-crore Valmiki fund scam have emerged as the Enforcement Directorate digs deeper into the controversy. Former Karnataka Minister B. Nagendra, who resigned over allegations related to the scam, was taken for interrogation by the ED officials and has been arrested. The arrest comes days after Enforcement Directorate's raids on the former minister's residences in Bengaluru and in Bellary. The ED raids had stemmed from a CBI FIR filed by the Union Bank of India. Now, viewers, we have breaking news coming in related to this. In a sensational update, we have accessed the remand note of the Enforcement Directorate with regards to this former minister Nagendra, and they have made some stunning charges. They say that he was aware of this fraud and kept silent, and that the transfers related to this scam were made at his behest. We have Deepak joining us. Deepak, tell us what the Enforcement Directorate is saying, these allegations that are coming in.
Well, now this arrest, of course, has come as a big blow to the Congress party, which has been, time and again maintaining that Nagendra, who was a minister, of course, eventually had to step down after the suicide of a government official and the probe that began into the Valmiki Corporation Board case. The Enforcement Directorate that also registered an FIR recently, of course, conducted searches at his residence, and we saw him, of course, being brought to the ED office, and eventually last night he was arrested. He was produced before the magistrate. They've, of course, now sought his custody, and he will be questioned for the next few days. Now, the remand note that was submitted in court is some details of it, of course, right now Times Now has access to, which specifies that Nagendra was in the know-how of these fraudulent transactions and the embezzlement. It was upon his instructions that, some of these transactions has happened, and that's the reason they need to question him further, is something that the remand copy mentions. They also say that there is a lot of documents that the ED has at this point in time, evidences that they've gathered. They'll have to, in fact, question Nagendra pertaining to each and every document and the evidences that they've gathered. And also, more importantly, there is a possibility that he needs to be taken to certain locations for a spot mazar, and that they need time for that as well, is something that the remand note mentions. And more importantly, they're also here talking about under PMLA, because the investigation right now is going on. Various other aspects need to be looked into, and his statements need to be recorded under various evidences that they have at this point in time access to, and that's the reason they need more time. Meanwhile, the court has also instructed that every 24 hours there should be a medical checkup done of Nagendra, because there is a heart ailment that he has, and at this point in time it looks like the trouble is only going to mount for this Congress legislator.
Most definitely. Now, Deepak, do stay with us. Viewers, in another sensational update, sources have suggested that one of the arrested accused in the Valmiki fund scam, and this is where it gets shocking, had purchased a second-hand luxury Lamborghini car which had been auctioned by the IT department, paying about 3.3 crore rupees. As per sources, first a Hyderabad-based individual purchased this automobile as part of the auction, and then the arrested accused bought it from this Hyderabad man. Latching on to this, the Bharatiya Janata Party demanded stringent action against the minister Nagendra. Let's listen in to what the BJP had to say.
देखो, जो कुछ भी इतना बड़ा अमाउंट करप्शन नहीं तो वो डकैती हो गया। डकैती होने के बाद किधर चला गया पैसे? किधर चला गया कि तो बोले तो किधर किधर के पैसे वो लोग डाइवर्ट कर ले को मजा कर लिए। ये कोई उसका बाइक का लड़का एक लैम्बोर्गिनी कार खरीदी किया कहते, बाद में हवाला में भी बहुत कुछ पैसे हाई कहते, जरा पैसे किधर पहुंचना था वो भी पैसे पहुंचे कहते, बाद में इलेक्शन के भी फंड्स पे यूज भी किया कहते। बोल को वो पहली डिमांड क्या है, हम उसको ईडी के लोग वो लोग को अरेस्ट करना ही चाहिए, हम पहले डिमांड कर रहे।
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.